and welcome to today's video. I am super excited because yes, it's Slayglambox unboxing, but this Slayglambox unboxing is like no other. I'm super excited because my girl Just Ann did a collaboration and her palette is in this month's Slayglambox. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rhonda and over here we're all about embracing the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where I am super excited to get to support my good friend Ann, aka Just Ann, which I'll have her channel linked down below for y'all. I'm all over the place. I'm filming much later than I typically do, so my whole fam bam's here and I'm just completely off. So anyways, if you've never heard of Slayglambox, you guys, this is a monthly subscription. It is crazy affordable. Code HOTMESS will save you 10% off your first box, and it is super makeup heavy. It is absolutely amazing. So I did create this look that you see today, so stay tuned for that. It is going to be a voiceover because, like I said, my whole entire family's here and the concentration, the chaos was real. So I'll be doing a voiceover on this look, but we have lots to talk about and lots to unbox. So let's go ahead and jump on it. So I did not peek, but I did rip through the bag in order to get to Ann's palette. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with Ann's palette first. I'll be inserting the little like reel and everything with the swatches over to the side, one of the sides of me that is already over on Instagram. And then, like I said, I will be showing you all how I created this look, but this palette is available in the Slayglambox. Now, if you don't currently receive the Slayglambox, that's okay. You can actually purchase Ann's palette actually at Ann's website. I will have that linked down below in my description box, as well with Ann's channel. Definitely go over there, show her some love, give her a huge congratulations. This is huge. This is so exciting. So here is the palette. It is absolutely beautiful. Hey friends, this just in, Slayglambox has officially sold out of the box for December. If you still want to get Ann's palette, which I highly recommend, make sure to go over to Ann's website, use the code Happy Holidays to save yourself 10% off of Ann's palette. Congratulations, Ann, on this amazing success. This is such a fun palette, and I love, if you watched Ann's video, which again I will have in my description box, I love the thought process and like everything she did going into this palette. So what you're going to see is a mix of shimmers, duochromes, mattes, everything, and you all know your girl is like queen of neutrals, and if I can create a look with this palette, you know you're going to be able to create a look. So everything that you see on my eyes is right from this palette. I did not use any other palette or anything. Everything I pulled from this. And I will tell you all, gingerbread, I love that buttery, mustardy, honey color. It is just absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. I love the fact that these shadows, you can build up on these colors. Start small, like I always say, and then build up. They're absolutely beautiful. These shimmers, like, they are so buttery soft and they are so flippin' pigmented. They're just stunning. You all know that I absolutely love the OFRA Cosmetics formula. I love how like buttery soft, and like you can see the shift actually. Like, I don't know if my camera's picking up, but as I'm like shifting my hand over here, the pinky tone shifts with some gold in there, and then it's just such a beautiful, beautiful palette. I just love it. So I used a total of 7 shades out of this palette, and everything performed beautifully. Like I said, everything builds up and blends out wonderfully. I don't think you're gonna have any struggles whatsoever. I'm a very heavy-handed person, and even Ann was like, okay, remember, they build up. all right? So just keep that in mind because the pigmentation is definitely there. You will see that later in my video where I kind of went in a little ham sandwich and had to like fluff and blend it out and everything, and it worked beautifully. Like there was no issues whatsoever. So thankfully, because the formula is so easy to work with, I was able to just blend it without buffing it away, which to me is super, super important. But these shimmers, oh my gosh, these shimmers are just gorgeous. They are stunning. So will I be back to play with this palette some more? You bet your booty I am. I mean, congratulations to you, Anne. You did an excellent job. And like I told you all, the OFRA Cosmetics formula, I think you're really going to enjoy. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the rest of the items. So this is what, this came so well packaged too, it boggled my brain. Like I told Anne and Jody, I was like, oh my gosh, like 5 minutes I was like trying to get into this. So definitely shout out to Slayglambox because they actually did the most when it came to packaging. All right, so the next item we see in here is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics 12 Color Pro Lip Palette. I did see like a sneak peek spoiler over at Slayglam's Instagram, which I love that they do that. Definitely make sure if you have Instagram to follow Slayglam over there because they do give you like a heads up of what you can expect as far as sneak peeks and spoilers go. And this, oh, this is an all cream palette. It does have a lip brush and you can kind of use the shades there, or you can have a lot of fun with it and like mix them together and create your own like custom shade, which is really fun. And of course you can come up with a shade that's going to match Anne's palette beautifully. I love that. So that's cool because you're literally getting 12 shades in here. So literally like 12 lipsticks and then some because you can mix them together. Next in here we have a blush palette. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I love these shades too. These are absolutely beautiful. And again, if I forgot to tell you all, because I am so like all over the place, this whole subscription, it's only $24. Less than that if you use code HOTMESS. I think with HOTMESS, not an affiliate code, I think it's like $21 or something. I mean, these are right up my alley for blushes. Like if I didn't already have blush on, y'all know darn well I'd be in that. I love this one and this one. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and it's by Okaland. So I've used Okaland's palettes, their formula before, and I actually really like it. And then we have the Okaland Colossal Epic Lashes Extension Mascara. Kind of reminds me of the Maybelline, which the Maybelline was a dupe for something, wasn't it? I can't remember. But it was for like a high end. But anyways, so that is the next item. And then we do have two liners in here. We've got a crown liner in dark green. Oh my gosh, literally will match Anne's palette to a T. I think her shade is Grinch. That is the green shade, is that right? Yes. So it will literally match this perfectly. So you could definitely even use this liner as like a base and then go and put Grinch over top of it would be really pretty. And then we have a waterproof eyeliner and brow pencil in red. I mean, perfect Christmas colors. And again, I would use this shade for your lips too, even though it says eyeliner. But I think this would be really pretty as a base for Anne's red shade, which is called Jolly in here. You could totally use this as a base and go over it with Jolly. That would be really pretty. I mean, and that is everything in this box. You can purchase this individually, like I said, over at Anne's website. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the try on portion of how I created this look. Like I said, it is going to be a voiceover. Alright friends, so I primed my lids with the Clean Canvas Eye Base from Gerard Cosmetics, and then we're going to start off with the shade Gingerbread. I do my typical tappity tap tap, dabbity dab dab, and once I built up this shade, I just go ahead and start floofing it out with my Ice Queen blinged brushes. I'll have them linked down below for you all. This shade is absolutely stunning. We'll be chilling and having a good time. From there, we're going to move into the shade Hot Cocoa, and this is the shade where you saw I went a little ham sandwich, but I left the clips in even though I sped it up just so you could see how I was able to blend everything out without buffing the color away. The formula was absolutely perfect to work with. Now you'll see on this eye, I definitely went softer and took my time. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Grinch. It's this beautiful cool toned green, and I position that in the outer V, and I do put a little under my eye as well. And I ended up switching my brushes over to the slanted BK Beauty brush. From there, I go in with the shade Tinsel. It's a really pretty soft color, and I just go ahead and I lay that down, and then I'm like, no, let's go bolder. So then I go in with the shade Garland, and oh my gosh, this color is stunning. I love it. From there, I went ahead and I moved into the shade Twinkle and put that over top of Tinsel, and I thought it turned out really pretty. Then I'm really feeling gutsy, and I move into the shade Mistletoe, and I just tap a little bit of that to blend in with Garland. Alright friends, so that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and once again, congratulations to Anne on your success. You definitely deserve it, girl. When she told us about it, I was just like, oh my god, I can't wait. And honestly, like I told Jody and Anne today, it is even prettier in person. Like all of the pictures, all of the swatches, everything you're seeing over on Instagram, everything you're seeing right here doesn't even do it justice. It is so flippin' pretty. So congratulations once again to Anne, and I will have her information, her website, her channel, everything linked down below. If you do want to go ahead and sign up for Slayglambox, I will have that as well. And I'm so excited. I'm just so freaking excited for Anne. Definitely stay tuned because we'll be back with more looks with the Christmas Wishes palette with Anne. Check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for plus size career girl fashion hauls over there. Hotmess in the kitchen for quick, easy, budget-friendly dinners or what have you. And big shout out to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all so, so much. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.